Hey guys, this is Skyfirst95. So I tried to replace my previous saucepan that I also got from Cuisinart, the stainless steel one, which didn't turn out to be so stainless. So I went with this more expensive, around $30 2-quart saucepan this time. This is a nonstick anodized aluminum design, again with a lid. So right out of the box you get, of course, the pot with the lid wrapped around in plastic, and you get a little warranty information and quick start guide and carrying instructions out of the box. So removing the static clings, aka stickers, from both the lid and also inside the saucepan or pot, let's go ahead and take a quick tour around this thing. So firstly, the lid, it is made out of stainless steel from the ridges and also the handle, otherwise the rest of it is clear see-through glass. Something I did notice right off the bat is there's quite a bit of wriggle room between the enclosure of the lid and the pot. You can see I can easily move it around, as opposed to this one, and the separate one made by Utopia Kitchen, there's no such deviation. It's not a huge deal, it's still able to trap in heat just fine. However, from such a well-known brand like Cuisinart and at a $30 price tag, I would have expected a little bit more precision. Now moving on to the rest of the pot, as you can see at the end of the handle there is a little hole that you can actually hang this if you needed to, and the handle itself is made of the same stainless steel material with no padding or insulation, so it can definitely get quite hot at very high temperatures, so you may want to wear gloves when you need to. It gets unbearably hot as you get closer to the pot, of course. The exterior of the saucepan is made out of ceramic, so it allows for a better heat conduction and prevents cracking at higher temperatures. This also means that water is able to boil much quicker than, say, something that did not have such a ceramic coating. The inside of the saucepan is this anodized non-stick aluminum. A bit more information on the effectiveness of that a little later in the video, but as you can see also on the inside of the pot there's a little bit of tick marks for measurement. Okay, so 3 weeks later, with just using it for primarily boiling eggs, here is the current condition. As you can see, the lid is perfectly fine, but as we move to take a look at the condition of the saucepan, you see that same white powdery material lining the walls of this saucepan, not dissimilar to what happened to my previous Cuisinart saucepan, as you can see here. In full disclosure, I definitely don't have anything against the brand Cuisinart, and I didn't use the rough side of the sponge or anything. I took care of as I would with any non-stick interior, and I would always wash it right after I use it, so this is like no excuse to happen to something that's only a couple weeks old. Now I do realize that the water coming out of the pipes of my home is considered hard water and also has quite a few minerals in it that definitely could deposit on rougher surfaces, but my combat to that is we have another pot that we use all the time, again using with the same water too, and there is no sign of this white residue on this pot. And you can also tell just by placing your finger on the insides of both of these pots that the surfaces are definitely pretty different, even though they're both non-stick. So ultimately, once again, I'm going to have to return this. I think this is just unacceptable from such a highly well-known brand like Cuisinart. I'm going to go ahead and give a shot to the Utopia Kitchen, which is the brand of this other pot that we have, and then I'll give you guys an update and another review on that once I order it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Skyfirst95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Skyfirst95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyfirst95. Thanks for watching.